the car will not run over you.
You could walk up with Haya.
You could walk
You can ride behind me. I could go slow.
No, that wouldn't be kind to go on a bike ride when someone's on a walk. Sweet baby.
It's cold now.
Haya, do you want
Is that recording? Turn around, Haya. Show the camera your baby.
What's its name?
Pumpkin. Do you know why it's named Pumpkin? Because all other cats got rolled up the road, and so we're calling this one Pumpkin.
Because he's orange.
Because he's orange.
Our pumpkin ran up.
If we found the black one, but it's lost. It ran away somewhere.
Yeah.
Good morning. So, while my sister was here, we made her some dandy blend because she had the camera, babe. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for helping. What was I saying? Yeah, it was delicious, says the man that doesn't drink it. Okay, don't let your cat get my marshmallow.
Okay.
All right. So when my sister was here, we, okay, never mind, I'm gonna back up. When I did my Amazon haul video, my sister saw that we had dandy blend, and so she decided to order some. And then she made it and didn't like it. So we showed her how we like it when she came to visit, and I did not have time to get it videoed. So I'm gonna show you how she discovered she liked it. So I have my little moo cup and marshmallow. I'll put that in on top. But Lilley made vanilla bean marshmallows. They're very tasty.
And she made a different
They
kind.
come up on the top like.
And she made a different kind, but it's really good.
Okay, now you gotta be quiet. Let me finish this. So I'm gonna put in a hefty scoop of the dandy blend and some water.
Oh, I forgot.
What are you getting?
Cream.
She forgot something.
Cream, yep, she forgot cream.
I knew we put in cream, but
Why did
I
you put that in
didn't
there?
consider it.
Oh,
So you want it to be,
Basically,
See if I-
like
that's
coffee,
a little moo
shot
cup.
coffee.
That's
You
a
know,
little
that's-
moo cup.
that's the little
Yep.
color. It's just like a,
And it's a
Black
moo
tea
cup.
color.
It's really-
just, whoa, stop. So about like that. Maybe a little bit darker. It's just tasty. And then I'm gonna add
It looks
the
like
marshmallow for the foamy and for the sweetener. And I like to let it sit for a little bit because it will start to melt and get nice
and
and
I like
frothy
to
on top.
let
But if you add sugar, it will ruin it.
yes, if you add sugar, that'd be too sweet, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
If you're impatient, you can just pour the boiling water over, like fill it halfway up and then pour the rest of the boiling water over it, and then it.
That would be
awesome.
smart. But it really doesn't need it because,
I dunk it under.
can you
These
see
ones
it?
are softer than normal.
It's already getting the nice foamy stuff on top.
I love kitties.
I do
Yeah.
too.
Do you like
That's a nice kitty too.
Do you like kitties?
Mhm.
Yep.
Did you know when I run away?
That's good.
And
What are you doing?
sometimes them don't run away from me, and sometimes them do.
Before they know you.
This one
This
was
is-
gonna run away.
Tell them about if
Okay,
you
just a minute.
don't steal your bag.
Oh. This is an instant drink, so if you don't have it sealed, it will just turn into a hard rock. So you definitely want to do that.
Simeon put some on his tongue yesterday, and he was like, Lily, the dandy blend went bad. And I said, why do you say that? And he's like, because it's really bitter. It's by itself.
So this is the main way we use it in the winter, but in the summer we'll make a blended dandy. And if we have another nice day, I might show you that one.
It's gonna be a nice day.
We drink a lot of dandy.
Yep, we do.
Yep, we do.
We drink a lot of coffee too.
We do drink a lot of more coffee than dandy.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.